Next, I want to show some love to some Indian albums and artworks, of course. So, who doesn't know the iconic Dawn soundtrack?
अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो जरा पहचानो मैं हूँ डॉन.
Hi, my name is Pranay, and today I'll be sharing with you some album art and album covers. If we break this down just design-wise and concept-wise, I think it's a beautiful piece to look at also. You have again the beautiful diagonals happening on both sides. What is again interesting is that I can almost imagine this in action or in motion. This doesn't feel static to me at all. So I can see that the main character is running, of course, but I can see that this repetition of the character behind, I can almost imagine her splitting from one image to the multiple images and almost attacking Dawn, who's in this kind of pose, right? Another very interesting thing that's happening here is you'll see that a lot of times what we do is that where a character is facing, so if I'm looking in this direction, I would leave space on this side and we call that headroom, right? Where we leave space to say that I am looking in this direction. But they've done something very interesting in terms of the composition where they actually block the headroom here. So he's going in this direction, but they almost trap him here, and this creates like this wonderful trap sort of effect. And if you know anything about the film, you will know that Vijay's character is stuck between a rock and a hard place, right? So can you visually convey those feelings? I think this artwork conveys that really beautifully. The colors, the use of the lines, the typography, we must speak about the typography also. They just talk about this wonderful era of hand-drawn Bollywood Indian film posters, which I think is a wonderful era to just reminisce and talk about. So I can go on about this all day, but this is one of my favorites also.